For years, Vesda has provided reliable smoke detection systems to protect lives and assets and ensure business continuity in numerous applications across the globe. Vesda E is the next generation of aspirating smoke detection technology, featuring multiple innovative capabilities across the new portfolio that delivers a new level of customer experience. Let's go over how each unique Vesda E detection system operates. Vesda E VEP delivers the latest flare detection technology to establish a new benchmark in smoke detection. The VEP uses the flare detection chamber, combining laser-based light scattering technology with optical imaging to deliver higher sensitivity, better dust rejection, and improved stability and longevity, setting a new benchmark in smoke detection performance. Vesda E VES delivers up to 4 sectors of addressability, coupled with very early warning for fast and reliable identification of smoke origin. The VES detector draws air from all sectors in use, uses fast scanning to identify pipes carrying smoke, and monitors all sectors to track fire growth in real time. Vesda E VEA provides assured detection through full supervision of the detection path, from the detector up to the sampling points. The VEA draws air along a network of microbore tubes from individual sampling points to a central detector, delivering a pinpoint addressable aspiration smoke detection solution to various mainstream applications. Finally, Vesda E VEU is the premium detector of the Vesda E range. An ultra-wide sensitivity range and provision for more sampling holes provide an increased coverage in high airflow applications. Considerably longer linear pipe runs and extended branched pipe network configurations cater perfectly to applications with higher ceilings, providing increased coverage and reduced maintenance. All Vesda E detectors are capable of communicating with fire alarm control panels, suppression systems, Vesda software management systems, and intelligent building management systems. Vesda E is the most advanced, reliable, and flexible ASD system ever produced. To learn more about Vesda E smoke detection systems, contact us today.